Hi there to all of you. Welcome back to Excel Lingual, our channel. The foundation of today's Excel lesson is nested and if conditions. We will look at how to use these strong functions in this video to make your Excel spreadsheets more intricate logical tests. Multiple conditions can be tested in a single formula by using nested if functions. If functions are combined with one another, complex decision-making procedures that address several scenarios can be designed. This is especially helpful when you need to take into account several parameters. Additionally, you can test multiple criteria at once in Excel using the AND function. It only returns true in the event that every requirement is satisfied. You can construct even more complex logical tests by combining the AND function with nested if statements. In order to show you how to correctly nest functions and set up your logical tests, we will go over examples of how to structure nested if and conditions in Excel throughout this article. You will have a firm grasp on how to use these features in Excel to expedite your data analysis and decision-making procedures by the time this video ends. Without further ado, let us explore the realm of nested and if conditions in Excel and discover all of its possibilities. Start by typing the following formula: equals if and condition 1, condition 2, value if true, value if false. In this formula, replace condition 1 and condition 2 with the logical tests you want to evaluate. Remember, the AND function requires all conditions to be true for it to return true. Next, you can nest additional if functions within the formula to create more complex logical tests. Simply add another if statement within the value if true or value if false arguments of the original if function. As more if functions are required to satisfy all of your conditions, keep nesting them. Ensure that the appropriate parentheses are used to properly close each nested if function. Press Enter to apply the formula when you have finished configuring your nested if and conditions. Excel will use the defined logical tests to assess the criteria and deliver the desired value. To make sure your formula works as intended, do not forget to test it in various settings. There you have it. Using nested if and conditions in Excel is now effectively accomplished. Well done on learning how to use this sophisticated Excel feature. Try these formulas with your own, and we will meet in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.